Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by listing every place your number appears and prioritizing high-risk accounts like banks and social profiles. Once done, make sure your recovery email is current so you don't lock yourself out. Next, gather identity documents and screenshots. These speed verification if a service demands proof. Now jump into the highest priority account and locate contact or privacy settings. Change or remove the number immediately. Then record that change so you can track progress. You'll now work methodically through accounts, starting with services that publish your number publicly. For each, change the number or set it private, and where edits aren't allowed, submit a removal request. Once core accounts are handled, search for your name plus number to find data brokers, prioritize high-visibility aggregators, and use their opt-out forms. Keep templates and evidence ready because many sites require repeated requests. By working top-down, you reduce re-exposure and make follow-ups manageable. Finish by verifying each recorded change and saving confirmation messages or ticket numbers. Once complete, set automated alerts and schedule periodic searches so you detect any reappearances quickly. If a site refuses removal, escalate with support and provide ID and screenshots. If that still fails, consider formal privacy complaints or a legal notice. One troubleshooting tip: if a number keeps resurfacing, it's often cached, clear caches. Request reindexing and resubmit opt-outs until search.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.